Today we're going to talk about 5 common mistakes you should avoid as a small YouTuber. If you want to see exponential growth in terms of viewers and subscribers in your channel, then you should avoid these 5 common mistakes. Mistake number 1, dealing with a dead horse. Yes, if your content is something that creates no value to anyone, then you are definitely dealing with a dead horse. Because in both cases, it's not going anywhere. When you are starting a new YouTube channel, you are just among other thousands of YouTubers. Nobody knows who you are. And honestly, nobody is interested in you or in your life. If you don't have a loyal subscriber base, then nobody cares when you wake up, what you eat, or where do you go. Well, it's a different story if you are Tom Cruise. In that case, your first YouTube video may get millions of views even if you have 0 subscribers. However, if you are not famous as Tom Cruise, then the weight of introducing yourself to the world falls upon on your shoulder. And what do you think? What will help you to make it big on YouTube? Looks, personality, sense of humor? Well, maybe. But the most important things to sell your boat on YouTube is your content, the type, and the quality of your work. So for that, you need to create content from the viewer's point of view. You need to create what they would like to watch. A simple way to align your niche with the viewer's choice is to search for the videos that make similar content as you. For example, if you want to make a comedy channel, then just go to the YouTube search bar and search for comedy or funny videos and filter the search by view counts and look for the videos that pops up. Try to make similar content and understand their methods and techniques, because they all have something in them that you also need to have. Don't forget to use the same keywords as them in your title, tags and description, because this will help you to gain more and more views. And isn't this all we need? Mistake number 2, no or bad intro. They say first impression is the last impression. This also holds true for your YouTube intro. The image you portray in the starting 10 seconds of your video is most crucial. In those 10 seconds, the viewers decide whether he wants to continue watching your video or not. And this is something the majority of small YouTubers take for granted. The key to start your video is to start with a clip of the video's most interesting part. For example, if you are a vlogger, then always include the most fun part of the whole video in the beginning of the video, so that viewers get hooked and they don't leave until they find out how you reached to that fun part. This strategy doesn't work for every video. For example, if you are going to make a video on 20 books to read in your 20s, then in that case you can start the video with a little comedy skit or maybe with a real life inspiring story. What I am trying to say that try to make your video's intro so compelling so that viewers want to watch the whole thing. Add element of surprise, suspense or curiosity in the intro to retain the viewer's attention. Number 3, lack of research. This is one of the common mistakes that majority of small YouTuber makes. You can't win a war without understanding the art, because without it, you are going to die in the battlefield. So if you don't want to die, fail on YouTube, then please do not video dump on your channel. Don't upload anything randomly, since this will not help you to get better ranking on YouTube algorithm. Also, just like you read all of your instructions religiously before starting a new video game, also read YouTube community guidelines thoroughly before starting uploading a new content, because uploading anything may lead you to copyright strike or community guideline strikes. However, these mistakes are easily avoidable by reading YouTube community guidelines and policies. Knowing from the start in what limit you can upload content on YouTube will help you a lot. You should have a clarity regarding what you can or cannot upload on YouTube. Mistake number 4, multiple niches. Multiple niches are a big issue that prevents many small YouTubers gaining a lot of subscribers. You will not be able to attract any audience because no particular audience group gets to watch what they want to see. For example, cooking new dishes and vlogging on a same channel would be a disaster to retain the viewers who expect only one among the two from you. They may not want to get notification of your vlogging channel if they are only interested in cooking videos. So always concentrate on one niche on one channel. This helps to get consistent traffic from the viewers that are interested in your niche. And this is also a good practice according to the YouTube algorithm's rating system. Mistake number 5, inconsistent schedule. Now, if you don't already know, let me tell you, YouTube algorithm strongly favors creators who post consistently. Uploading a video whenever you want may not be a good idea, because it becomes harder to getting noticed and gaining more views. you need to have a fixed schedule, because it is better to post 2 videos per week rather than uploading 20 videos in a single day of a month. Plan your schedule and post consistently. The more you upload consistently, the more you get noticed on YouTube.
Now, when you are starting out, getting views on YouTube is challenging. That's why I created this video, which will help you to get more views quickly as a small creator. But before that, please hit the like button and subscribe this channel. Now let's straight jump into the next video.